Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to install MariaDB with Galera. We can install it by using simply two commands. These are the commands I have copied to complete our installation. I am going to install it on the 1222.04. You can go with minimal hardware resources. First of all, we have to run this update command to check whether any updates or any packages required. Then enter the press button. It will check for packages or any updates required. Few packages has been downloaded and they are going to install, and soon it will be completed. Then next we are going to run the installation command of MariaDB with Galera. This is the command you have to run. Soon it will start downloading and then installation of the database. Size of 19.2 MB packages downloading, and now they are getting unpacked and getting installed on our machine. The halfway have been completed, and now we are going to verify the installation and version of our database with Galera by this command. This is the install version we can see. Later, if you want to install or implement the secure installation of your database, you can start the process by this command. We are going to enter the root username. We are going to switch on the authentication. Yes, we are going to change the root password. Yes, we are going to remove the anonymous user. We are going to disallow remote login remotely. No, or you can proceed if you want to remove. Yes, we want to remove the database, test database, and access to it, and reload the privileged user. And now, if you try to access the database, you can type MySQL simply and access your database. Hope you guys understood the installation very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.